Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a super duper duper casual get ready with me. I'm gonna show you guys my makeup and my outfit. I just hopped out of the shower and I haven't done one of these in forever, so I'm going to. I already primed. I used, what is it called? The orange one. This Ulla Henriksen primer. I really just use this because I have it. Honestly, it's not that amazing. Yeah, let's just get right into it, guys. I haven't done my makeup in forever. I don't know what's going on with my life. Tired. I want a vacation really badly. Okay, I can't really say I'm tired. It's just like I'm bored with my daily routine. Nobody cares, but that's how I feel. And I hate Minnesota. Like, I want to move so bad. My family is here and like all my friends are here. Brian has a great job here. So, I mean, I essentially can work from anywhere. It'd be nice to work in a warm climate, but that probably won't ever happen. It's just literally, if you guys have seen my last video, actually a vlog is going up today where I bring you guys along. I like spoil myself, but it's really just me kind of doing a little bit extra with my day. And I had said it literally, like, I haven't seen the sun in like 5 days, and it's true, and it's so sad. Like, that's why I feel like my seasonal depression is at an all-time high right now. And for the people that live in warm climates, you are lucky. It's warming up in Minnesota. Like, it is warming up. It's just the sun is not out, and I'd rather have it be 0 degrees with the sun out. That is the best. I know that sounds crazy, 0 degrees, but it's honestly not that bad when the sun is out. I'm not kidding. It's not that bad when the sun is out. I know everybody who's like babies when it comes to cold weather, but anyway, that's for another time. Oh my god, am I really out? Whoa, Hank, I am out of my fucking favorite. Whatever, could not be bothered. Oh, this is okay. That's not that bad. Anyway, so I am pretty much just doing a little get ready with me. I'm gonna do an outfit, and then I'm honestly probably gonna go to Starbucks and edit this video because, again, I'm trying my best to have a good time with my life. The cold weather really makes you think, people. It really makes you think. Because I am perfectly fine with, of course, I mean, like most people, I'm perfectly fine with the summers in Minnesota. It's just the fact that it gets so darn cold here. And again, not even the cold, it's just like no sun. Where is the damn sun? What the heck? Okay, so I'm just concealing now. I'm also trying to like work against the clock right now because I'm supposed to have a maintenance guy come, and I don't know if you guys are familiar with apartments. They typically have to call you ahead of time, but that's what I at least write down, and so I can get the fuck out of here. I don't want to be here when they're fixing anything. So, because I'm just super awkward like that. So it's currently like literally fucking what, 9:30. I've been up pretty early for me at least, like since 7. I usually get up around 8. Took a shower right away, and I decided I was going to upload my video. So I let you guys know on Instagram. If you don't follow me, go follow me, bitch. But I'm just really hoping that they don't come. That they don't come and I'm like halfway getting ready and it's super awkward. I've also got a bunch of cute new dresses from Fashion Nova, and I feel like I'm just getting FOMO from looking at my closet. Like, I'm just like, oh, I want to take all these dresses on a vacation. Like, that is such a weird thing to say, but I'm just like, oh my god, I'd look so cute in that. Like, I just want to wear it, but you know, it's 15 degrees out and you can't really wear a flippin' dress. We'll get through it, folks. We will get through it. This happens every single year. I did my lashes, like myself, my little lash extensions here, and wow, I'm having a good time doing my makeup actually, because before I would always be like, ugh, I have to put on eyelash, whatever, what is it called? Wow, eyelash strips. I just have to put on fake eyelashes. And I'm fine with that. Like, I'm getting really good at it. Like, it literally takes me a solid like 2 minutes, but it's just the fact that I'm like dreading it. So now that I've actually like done my own makeup, is pretty easy, not gonna lie. I just straight up ruined my makeup. It looks like a flippin' turd. Just slapped me in the face. Wow. I at least wanted to look a little cute, you know? Is that too much to ask? I don't even know why I'm really getting ready. Well, actually, I think I'm gonna film a little like outfit ideas video later for you guys. So the one where I like quick change in front of the camera and just, you know, rifle off like 20 different outfits. Oh, she's cute. Okay, I'll blend that out, but we'll figure that one out later. I'm just like living my vacation life by putting a bunch of bronzer on me and acting like super sun-kissed, you know? Oh, this is some pretty good stuff. This is the Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee. Oh, and sun-kissed. funny. Okay, now we really gotta match my neck here because that's not cute. Ooh, okay. I'm feeling myself right now. Wow. What are you turds doing out there, Hank? Macy. Okay, so if you guys hear anything, that's my dog Macy. She's going crazy with the water bowl. I'm just highlighting with this Rainforest of the Sea highlighting palette from Tarte. I'm getting all dressed up to go to Starbucks. I just did like a really light eyebrow, so I just filled it in with like a blonde brow gel. We're just gonna dust some highlighter across that. Okay, and I'm using like these two really pretty gold shades. This would be a little bit too dark for my complexion right now, so probably just like always in general would be too dark. Hank, what's up? You tired, bud? What's up, buddy? So I'm just gonna line my lips with the Kylie liner in Exposed. This is a great color, but these liners, yeah, look at that. Like it just disappears. Okay, they're actually like shit. It's annoying. Like, I like the formula of it. It is just so... Holder itself is just so crappy. Not a fan. Okay, I really don't know what else to do with my hair right now. It's still like wet and just... Why does it look greasy when I just washed it? Somebody tell me why. Okay guys, that literally took me like 10 minutes and I feel pretty good about myself. Okay, I'm gonna change and show you guys my outfit. Okay, we have moved into the bathroom because I feel like the lighting is just a tad bit better. Okay, this dress is from Fashion Nova, you guys. It was sent to me. However, when I saw it on the website, I was like, I need this. I don't care. Okay, this is like really contrasting right now. It's not a good look. Anyway, I like feel bomb in this dress, but let's get a close look at my makeup. Really simple, but is there a huge... Okay. Really simple, but I feel like it looks really nice and it'd look even better in the sun. But anyway, this is the outfit. Like when I saw this, I was like, I want to wear this for my birthday. I'll show you. So this is what it looks like. It's a long dress. It is a maxi dress, but I just think it is so gorgeous. I think you guys are like at a weird angle here. Like, look at this. Curves who? Oh my God. I've got all the dogs in here as well. Okay guys, it's a party. She has to sniff it. Anyway, I think it just looks so good. Like it just makes you want to... Yes. Even with this hairstyle, this is just like my natural hair, but I feel like it'd look a little bit better if it was more like just a lot wavier, like a good beach wave. So, it's a little out there and it's a little short, not gonna lie. Like I'm wearing socks. But I think this is just so damn cute. Like, look at that. I don't know. I love like the print as well. It's like a cheetah. You have a little snake going on. It's super random, but I really like it. All right, guys, super quick, I know, but thanks so much for watching today's video. If you do like videos like this in my sarcastic self, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I just added like a little bit of curls, like literally like 3 curls on the top just to give my front a little bit of volume. So you guys can see I do have like some waves in the back, but the front is like non-existent. But anyway, this is my outfit, you guys. Super cute. Like I'm obsessed with this dress. Just obsessed. So anyway, again, sorry for like all the pauses here. I just had maintenance come as I was doing this. So anyway, give today's video a thumbs up if you like it, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video.